Good morning, Peter.
Hello, Eddie.
We're continuing on this exciting journey on the wealth that money can't buy. We are with a second form of wealth, which is called wellness. And this morning's gem is called Defend the Health of Your Mind. It's very specific, the health of your mind, something we need to focus on. And the two gems that I took from it, or the two first lines that I took from it, that was very powerful for me was gratefulness is the antidote to worry. And the second thing was helpfulness is a splendid cure for fear. Your thoughts?
Well, I think that gratefulness is very important and what gratefulness does for us. And I think we should practice gratefulness just as a matter of course and as almost as a separate exercise. But I think the whole thing is focusing on the positive side of life. As you and I have just been chatting, we discover that positivity is not very strong and that the majority of people do not live in a positive world. In fact, there's some statistics which say that 98% of the world is not in a positive state, and it's something that needs to be changed. I think it's an important feature. Would you like to just comment on that?
Yeah, I agree with you. I've done what they call the Clifton Strengths Finder test a while ago. It's an international test, and on that test, positivity rate is number 4 for me as my fourth strength. And when you read through it and when you look and you do some research on it, it is true, Peter. Nobody is really positive. And what is interesting is we're talking about the health of the mind, and positivity or negativity is an input into the mind. One of the things that I read in the gym was improve your self-talk. What are we feeding it? What is going into the mind has a big influence on your wellness. And I think it's something that people don't realize. People don't really focus on it too much. We had a talk about the self-talk about 3-4 weeks ago, where we talk about self-talk and what it does for you. So yeah, I'm thinking the GLS that you shared with me, gratitude, learning, and success. I've made that part of my daily routine.
Yeah,
Gratefulness plays a big role in mindset as well, and it all fits into um, that being positive.
yeah. I thought as I was preparing for this morning that this is one of those topics we could carry on for a long time, and it would be almost difficult to cut it short. So I'm going to cut it short at that point. And I'm just going to say to our listeners, how positive are you?